This is a plastic pail I've used as a kitchen compost pail for more than 20 years. It is an excellent pail for compost. A product of the Rubbermaid company that the company no longer makes. This is the debris coming out of my kitchen. Coffee grounds, tea bags, vegetable scraps, cooking oil, all of it biodegrades to a sludge that makes excellent soil. Naturezway sent me these bags to test. Compostable. Compostable in municipal facilities? What does that mean? High temperature? Chemicals? Before I try the bags in the Rubbermaid pail, I will start a load of kitchen debris composting. I tested the bags with garden trash. I know the bags will biodegrade with leaves and grass and manure. How fast will the bags biodegrade with garbage, water, and cooking oil? I'm putting today's date on the bag, 2018, July 17, 18/07/17. Now the bag goes in my super composter with a stack of cardboard boxes from Amazon. And I dump loads of garden trash on top. I turn on the water to soak the interior. How long will this bag take to decompose? Nature's way may be very good. I shall learn.